In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Discord from opening on startup. If Discord keeps popping up every time you turn on your computer, it can slow you down and clutter your desktop before you're ready. The good news is, there's a quick setting inside Discord that controls this behavior. We'll walk through it together so you can decide when Discord opens, instead of it deciding for you. First, open the Discord app on your computer. You'll want to be inside the app itself for this, because the auto start option lives in Discord's own settings. Once Discord is open, look down to the bottom left corner of the window. Next to your username and avatar, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the User Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. You'll land on a page with a menu running down the left side. This menu is divided into sections, and for what we need, you'll scroll until you find the section called App Settings. Under App Settings, click on Windows Settings. This is the place where Discord manages how it interacts with your Windows startup. Inside Windows Settings, look for a switch labeled Open Discord. If that switch is currently on, it means Discord is set to launch automatically when Windows starts. Go ahead and turn that toggle off. As soon as you do, you've told Discord not to load itself at startup anymore. That's it for the change. Simple and effective. From now on, the next time you restart or power on your computer, Discord won't open on its own. You can still launch it whenever you want by clicking the Discord shortcut or searching for it in your Start menu. If you ever change your mind and want Discord to start automatically again, just return to the same Windows settings screen in Discord and flip the Open Discord switch back on. A quick tip: if you don't notice a difference immediately, don't worry. This setting takes effect the next time Windows starts up. Also, if the toggle was already off when you arrived, that means Discord wasn't set to open on startup in the first place, and you're already good to go. To recap, open Discord, click the gear icon to enter User Settings, head to App Settings, choose Windows Settings, and turn off Open Discord. With that, you've taken control of when Discord launches, keeping your startup clean and focused on what you need.